Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you a really useful little tool that will allow you to download unlimited videos from any website. Let's go to Google Chrome and search for the Chrome Web Store. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, you can search for this useful extension. In the search box at the top, type Video Download Professional. You should see it appear in the drop-down menu. You can click on the first search result and then click Add to Chrome. Add the extension. You don't have to sign in. You can simply pin the extension to Chrome on the top right-hand side. Using the extension is really simple. You just click on the extension icon, but to do that, you need to go to any video website, so let's go to this website. Let's find a video. Click on the video and make sure you play it for a few seconds. Once the video has played, you can pause it. Now click on the extension icon on the top right-hand side. You'll see a list of available videos. Click Download and then save it. Let me show you the playback. As you can see, the video was downloaded in just a second, and just look at the quality. So that's it. That's how easy it is to use this browser extension to download any video from any website. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing it.